What's up my piano friends, Clam Series here with another piano tutorial. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Jetlag by Montana. It goes like this. Okay, so let me take you through the right hand melody first. We have J, C, D, E flat, D, A flat, E flat, D. Let's go over that again. J, C, D, E flat, D, A flat, E flat, D. Okay, so let me take you through the left hand chords also. We have C minor, we have A flat major, and F minor. Okay, so the song goes like this, playing both hands together. But if you want to play fancier, you can play this way. Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful to you, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.